Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're diving into Socratic.ai, a powerful tool that can elevate your learning experience. Located at https://Socratic.ai, this platform offers a unique approach to understanding complex topics. Socratic.ai allows users to delve deeper into their studies by providing access to a vast network of knowledge. It streamlines the learning process, making it easier to connect ideas and grasp intricate concepts. Utilizing sophisticated algorithms, Socratic.ai analyzes information and presents it in a clear, concise, and digestible format. Whether you're tackling a challenging academic subject, preparing for an important exam, or simply seeking to expand your knowledge base, this platform offers a valuable resource. It's designed to empower learners of all levels, from students to professionals. One of the key features of Socratic.ai is its ability to break down complex information into manageable chunks. This helps users avoid feeling overwhelmed and promotes a more focused and efficient learning process. By simplifying intricate topics, Socratic.ai helps users build a solid foundation of understanding. Beyond just simplifying information, Socratic.ai also fosters a deeper understanding of the material. It goes beyond surface-level explanations, delving into the underlying principles and connections between concepts. This approach encourages critical thinking and helps users develop a more holistic understanding of the subject matter. Furthermore, Socratic.ai provides a personalized learning experience, tailoring its approach to the individual needs of each user. This adaptability ensures that the platform remains relevant and engaging, regardless of the user's learning style or current level of understanding. This customization enhances the overall learning journey and promotes greater knowledge retention. Socratic.ai is more than just a learning tool, it's a valuable partner in your educational journey. By providing access to a vast knowledge base, simplifying complex information, and fostering a deeper understanding of the subject matter, Socratic.ai empowers you to achieve your learning goals. Check it out at https://Socratic.ai and see how it can transform your learning experience.